here's how to create this drop shadow text effect in Photopea. First, go and select the text tool on the left-hand side. It should look like a T. Then you want to click on your image and then type in any text. So we'll just say hello there. Now that we have our text on the image, the next step is to actually add the drop shadow to the text. So what we want to do is head over to the right-hand side and make sure that the Layers tab is selected here. And under the Layers tab, we want to select our layer, which is our text layer. So make sure that the text layer is selected, and we want to double-click that, which will open up the Layer Style window. From here, we want to go onto the left-hand side and click where it says Drop Shadow. By enabling the Drop Shadow, we can now have a Drop Shadow effect to our text. And we can actually go ahead and modify this drop shadow if we want. So we can adjust the opacity of the shadow. So we want the shadow to be more bold. We can turn the opacity all the way up, or we can leave it around down to around maybe 40%. That looks pretty good. We can also change the angle of the drop shadow. So right now I have it set to 110 degrees, but we can also shift it around like so. And you can see if I increase the distance, we can see the shadow moves around at the angle that we set it to. We can also increase the distance that the shadow is from the text. We can increase the spread of the shadow as well as the size of the shadow. You can adjust the contour as well as you can add noise as well to make it a little bit more noisy. But that is how you can add a drop shadow effect to your text on Photopea. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.